Hey guys, Andrew Lee here for the Lazy Tech Guys, and I'm here to review the Kingston HyperX Cloud 2 Pro Gaming Headset. Okay, so here's the HyperX Cloud 2 Pro Gaming Headset from Kingston. This is a 7.1 virtual surround sound headset that's powered by two 53mm drivers that give you that intense sound and accurate, you know, display of fidelity that you hear in your ears, whether it's a movie or a game. Um, this is compatible, obviously, for PC, but you can use this for Mac. This is usable with PS4 and Xbox One or any mobile device, but those three predominantly will be only in stereo mode through a headphone jack. It obviously does not have a USB port, so unfortunately, no dice there. I will demonstrate the microphone quality of the headset in a little bit. I currently don't have it plugged in at the moment right now, as you can see there, but it's detachable if you need or don't need it. Um, it doesn't retract like another unit that I'm currently using right now, but it does make it very convenient to detach it. Additionally, because the whole set comes with a microfiber bag, so you can throw all your accessories for the HyperX in there as well. This actually also has an onboard sound card as well. You can control pretty much all the functions of the headset through this little toggle or dongle, if you will, which clips to your shirt. Controls the volume for your headset, your microphone, the mute for it for your microphone, and also the toggle for stereo and 7.1 mode, which I'll go into a little bit later. But first, let's jump into the small clip where I'm testing out the microphone. Okay, folks, so here's the microphone portion for the HyperX Cloud 2 gaming headset from Kingston. Um, Now, it's decent. I wouldn't say it's the best sounding, but especially if you don't really have a mic to begin with, um, when you're gaming with, by yourself or friends where it requires voice chat and coordination, it does the job. So, all I could say is that if you don't decide that you want to use this, it's quite easily detachable. You just literally rip it out from the socket. um, there's no resistance in that, so you don't have to worry about breaking it. But yeah, you just remove it and it works perfectly fine on its own without the mic. Okay, so the sound quality for the HyperX Cloud 2 is actually fairly decent for the price that you pay for. These actually retail for $99.99 at most. I guess you could say tech-related places like Best Buy, Fry's. Of course, you can find them probably cheaper, if you look for those special deals. But yeah, the stereo mode for the headset's pretty good. I never had any problems as far as any type of distortions with the audio on the high end or low end of the sound. That's on all sorts of different content, whether it's through gaming, on something that very heavily reliant on directional audio, such as Battlefield, using it on my phone, even just for laughs and giggles on, like, say, SoundCloud, MP3s, YouTube content, even movies that I have on my computer right now. I've used that headset and fairly clear, very comfortable. Probably one of the most comfortable I've used uh, as far as headsets go. um, but that all changes as soon as you toggle 7.1. Now, granted, I understand that with virtual surround sound, it's sort of deceiving your ears to make it more, um, I guess you could say, more than it actually is. Now, the thing with the HyperX Cloud 2s is that unfortunately it reminds me of an old loudness button toggle back from like the 80s or 90s that you find with a lot of the audio devices back then. Sorry for the pause. It just, all it did for me, at least to my ears, is just sort of boost the volume up, at least quite a noticeable bit, in addition to maybe artificially adding some echo in there to kind of, I guess, sort out the mess that whatever you're hearing, whether it's a game or a movie and so forth.
And I understand that, again, it's meant to kind of sort of deceive your ears a bit, but it does it in a way where it's like still noticeable. I've had some other previous virtual surround sound headsets before, and they've never, for me, done um, this type of behavior. Whether it's in this sort of surround sound mode before, whether it's a 5.1 or even a 7.1 setup. But besides that, it sounds pretty great. Again, still one of the best comfortable headsets that I've ever used so far, at least for cushions, since it's 100% memory foam. And another thing to note with this headset is when you actually use this, there's no installation needed. You just plug and play, which is very convenient for people who just want to get straight into the action. The downside, or I would say the double edged sword in this, is that for your convenience, you're not able to do any sort of adjusting, tweaking, and there's not even any type of software that they provide that allows you to give you that flexibility. So it's more of left to the device of Windows to kind of sort that out all for you, or in addition to whatever they have built in on their onboard sound card. So to go straight to it, this is easily a 3.5 out of 5, mainly because for the price, this retails for about 99.99 in most stores out there. Though if you kind of dig around, you might be able to find a better deal. Um, and it's convenient. That's the thing that kind of counts for it. For a inexpensive, I would say, pair of headphones for gaming. But if you want a better experience, yeah, you're definitely gonna have to fork up a little bit more money in that department. So, with that said, if there's anything you want me to review on the side of that, or if you have any questions about this specific review, definitely hit us up on the comment section below on the video. I will be attaching a included review, a written review on this specific headset for the Kingston HyperX Cloud 2. But definitely, if there's anything else you want me to try out, give you my 2 cents on it, definitely hit us up on comments at lazytechguys.com. So until next time, I will see you guys later. Peace.